Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys how to pan fry a fish, a tilapia fish that is. Here I have a tilapia. I got it from Costco. It's been cleaned and gutted. And I just want to cut the tail off and also the small fin. Now I just want to season it a little bit. For the seasoning, I would use sea salt. And I would just sprinkle it on top of the fish. And I will also season it with garlic powder. And I will sprinkle it all over the fish as well. And now I will flip over the fish and also season it with the garlic powder and sea salt. And I will gently massage it all over the fish. Now let's start the frying process. In a heated pan, I have added about 1 inch of oil and I have turned on the heat to medium. Once the oil is heated, we will add in our fish. And we will let it fry in medium heat for about 6 to 7 minutes. Be careful if the oil splashes a lot, we can use a splash shield. Six to 7 minutes has passed and I have flipped over the fish. And now we will continue to pan fry the fish for about another 6 to 7 minutes on the other side. After 6 to 7 minutes has passed, we could remove the fish from the pan and put it aside and let it rest for a minute or two. Our fish is done, guys. Look how golden and delicious it looks. See how crispy it looks. Let me show you guys how I eat this. I take a little bit of the fish meat and put it on top of a romaine lettuce. Don't worry, I took out the piece of bone that I saw that was sticking onto the meat. So I put the meat on top of the romaine lettuce, and of course, let's not forget about a little bit of the crunchy skin. And now I scoop a little bit of a tomato salad that I made earlier and put it on top of the romaine lettuce as well. And I wrap up the lettuce and eat it like a lettuce wrap. There you go, let's take a bite. And it was delicious. If you want, you could also eat it with rice. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in my next video.